Hey guys, welcome back to the Southern Rustic. Thank you so much for being here and clicking on this video. If you are new, hi, my name is Sam and welcome. So glad to have you. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that little red subscribe button down below and be part of the family here. Love to have you. So in today's video, we're going to be making Southern style corn pudding. It's so easy and delicious. You're going to love it. It's perfect for any holiday or just any day of the week in general. So I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. That's ready to go. I've got an 8 by 8 inch baking dish greased and ready to go. I've got all of my ingredients set out here. So let's go over all the ingredients and we'll get this started. Okay guys, this is everything you're gonna need. Like I said, it's very easy and it's so delicious, perfect for any holiday or any time of the year in general that you want to make this. It's delicious. So starting out, I've got some butter here that I've just melted and cooled. I do this on the stove because if I put it in the microwave, I end up having to clean my microwave. It's always a mess, so I do it on the stove. In here I've got some milk, some cream, and a little bit of buttermilk. I've got a can of corn that's been drained and rinsed, a can of cream style corn, salt and pepper, 2 eggs, some cornmeal, some flour, and a little bit of sugar. And that is all you're going to need. So let's get this arranged and set up and we'll get this going. Alright guys, so we're going to start out with our dry ingredients. I'm going to add my flour, my cornmeal, and my sugar, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And we're going to mix this together really well. Okay, and we're going to set that aside. And we're going to add this is our butter. We're going to add in the milk and cream buttermilk mixture into a little pan here. As well as our eggs. Let me do this in another bowl so I don't get any shell in there. We've got egg and our other egg. Okay. Okay, so I've got that in there. We're just going to mix this together until it's all nice and well combined. Break that egg up just a little bit. That looks pretty good. So, going to add this all in here. My buttermilk was still a little bit cold, so kind of solidified my butter a little bit, but that's fine. It'll melt down in the oven. Okay, now that that's all nice and combined, set that aside, and then we're going to add in our can of whole corn that's been drained and rinsed in there, and the can of cream style corn. And this is going to make this so creamy and more of a pudding consistency. Got all that in there, and then we're just going to mix this together until it's well combined. and all of that cream style corn and whole corn are broken up into that batter. And it's well coated in that flour mixture. Okay, I'll rearrange some stuff here, get a little bit of room. Now I've got my 8 by 8 inch dish, and I went ahead and just greased it with a little bit of oil just to prevent it from sticking. We're just going to add that right in here, hopefully without making a mess everywhere. Okay. I'll set this aside. Okay, now that this is all in here, we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out mostly clean. It'll continue cooking as it cools. So put this in the oven, and I'll meet you back here when it's done. Okay guys, this just come out of the oven, so we are going to do the toothpick test right in the center there. And it come out pretty clean. And just for reference, it still has a slight jiggle in the middle, but that will set as it cools. So I'm just going to let this hang out here and cool down. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And don't forget to tick that little notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I upload twice a week at 7 a.m. so you'll be notified when they go live. And as always, if you want this recipe or any of my other recipes, check out the link down in the description box below. You just click on the link, it'll take you right to my website, and you can check out any of my recipes there. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna go enjoy dinner, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.